Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Good morning, Miss.
Okay, today we are going to do evaluation.
Yes, Miss.
As usual, I will ask from the vocabulary and then from the homework. So we start from the vocabulary first, and then here for English. Can you explain about cross? What is cross?
Cross to a line that each cross because I'm sorry, a line cross each other. So how to say membentuk, Miss? How to say membentuk?
To shape
Yeah. To shape a cross.
or to form.
Yeah, to form a cross, and sometimes we can find it in restaurant. In front of the door has a word no entry with a cross line there.
Where can it be found?
Sorry,
Where can it be found?
a restaurant. What is that? A restaurant is in front of the door. We cannot enter. We cannot enter the room. So has a sign across there. So just waiters can enter inside. So has a sign cross in front of the door.
Computer games.
Sorry,
Computer games.
computer games. Games that we play on a computer, and then the games like go to adventure, solve a puzzle, or complete text, complete words like this.
Lost.
Hilang. Lost. Something that cannot be found. For example, I keep my thoughts but I forgot it. When I try to find it, I cannot. Maybe it can be lost.
Mud.
A wet soil. A wet soil. A wet soil that mud is heavy because a soil is wet, and then what is that? When the rain fell down and made the soil wet, so when we touch the soil, it can be soft.
So you said just now, it's not heavy.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Yes, it's heavy.
The additional explanation.
The additional explanation, like I said, is when the rain fell down, make the soil wet. So when we touch the soil, it feels soft. Like this. Poem. A special word that has a special meaning because we made a word with our feeling, with our expression, and we made a word become poem.
Now computer, yeah.
Yes.
Can you explain about index finger?
Index finger. index fingers usually it's called a pointer finger because we put index finger on the mouse usually in the left side, and then when we want to click on the mouse we use index finger, but sometimes also middle finger.
Release.
Release, to let them go. Yes. To let them go.
Additional explanation.
This okay. How to say? To let them go, like we may to let them go, like first please. I give my own word, miss. Like this, miss. To let them something go, like a virus on a computer, I think. We take away a virus from a computer.
Okay. Now we move to health education. What is soundly, Miss?
Soundly, when we sleep deeply, additional explanation like this is a situation when we sleep, it feel deeply, and for example, when my mother called me, I cannot hear her because I got sleep deeply.
Tight.
Tight. No space to move. No space to move. It means like this. When we are in a noise place, I mean, yeah, a noise place like kerumunan. I don't know.
In a crowded place, you mean?
Yes, crowded place. We cannot move right or left because because there are so many people. So we can move and no space to move.
Is it only about the space? There is no space to move.
No, not
So?
really, because sometimes we sometimes can our clothes also. When we wear tight clothes, it can make us not comfortable because can make us sesak.
Cannot breathe.
Cannot breathe. Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Now we move to science. What is quieter?
Sorry, miss.
Quieter.
Quieter. Quieter. A sound. Quieter. Describe a quiet sound. No less sound or less sound like this. For example, I whisper something to someone so the other people cannot hear that we talk to someone because just have a quieter sound.
Harm.
A situation damage feel mana ya? What's that? a situation that make sorry miss harm describe about a damage situation because for example in our lesson about hearing like this we don't need to shout in the air because can make the air broken so
The air.
ear sorry
Oh.
miss can make the ear broken so we don't need to sound because it's so harm to our ear.
Sign. What is sign?
Sign like a symbol in our lesson talk about sign language actually. So sign here explain about how to speak to each other without sound. So we can use sign language like a coding like this. When we want to tell something to someone, we can show a sign to them, sign language like when we want to eat, we just can make like this and like this.
Riches.
Riches. A way to get something. A way to get something. Here it means like we can get something with our
You don't read, ya, Miss?
this
For
one not
this
sure.
silence.
Okay. How to say usaha means
Afford.
avoid, yeah, avoid
Our
effort, yes. We can get something with our effort. So here riches we need to get it.
Okay, we move to IPAS.
Okay, sorry.
Kendala, apa itu kendala?
Kendala itu adalah sebuah hambatan atau rintangan. Nah, ini biasanya sesuatu yang menghalangi kita untuk mencapai tujuan yang ingin kita capai.
Semak.
Semak itu tumbuhan kayu, tumbuhan yang bercabang banyak, tumbuhan kayu yang bercabang banyak. Nah, ini biasanya misalnya seperti bunga mawar, terus kembang sepatu, bunga matahari, ataupun bunga-bunga yang berkayu kecil, yang lebih kecil dari pohon. Nah, itu dikatakan semak, tanaman semak.
Nafkah. Bahasa Indonesia.
Nafkah. Sesuatu yang diberikan terhadap tanggungan orang tersebut. Itu bisa nafkah untuk anak, misalnya nafkah seperti makanan, pakaian, ataupun menyediakan juga tempat tinggal.
Oven.
Alat pemanggang. Biasanya alat pemanggang ini digunakan untuk memanggang beberapa makanan seperti roti atau memanaskan makanan yang lainnya juga bisa.
Gemetar.
Gerakan kecil atau seperti tremor. Nah, ini misalnya gerakan ini timbul karena sesuatu yang terjadi pada diri kita ataupun benda lain. Kalau diri kita itu misalnya kita kedinginan, kelaparan, ataupun ketakutan. Kalau benda lain itu disebabkan dari kejadian alam seperti gempa bumi bisa juga.
Cekatan.
Cekatan itu kegiatan atau sesuatu yang dilakukan dengan cepat, dengan tangkas. Nah, ini biasanya orang yang cekatan melakukan semua pekerjaan menyelesaikannya lebih cepat.
Cacat?
Cacat berarti itu ada ketidaksempurnaan atau kekurangan dari orang atau objek itu. Misalnya, seorang manusia, seorang laki-laki, seorang anak bayi laki-laki yang terlahir cacat dan tidak memiliki salah satu kakinya misalnya itu. Atau di suatu tanaman juga bisa tanaman itu cacat karena tidak memiliki daun yang sempurna atau buah yang sempurna.
Okay, now we move to homework. Kipas. Apa yang maksud dengan pepohonan?
Pepohonan itu tanaman yang memiliki batang yang besar. Nah, biasanya batang ini kuat dan keras.
Semak?
Semak tanaman kayu yang bercabang banyak.
Herba?
Herba tanaman yang digunakan untuk obat-obatan.
Batangnya itu bagaimana itu batangnya?
Batangnya itu lembut, begitu berongga di dalam jenis.
Tumbuhan pemanjat?
Tumbuhan pemanjat itu membutuhkan penopang untuk dia tumbuh. Itu misalnya seperti anggur atau apa itu ya? Daun sirih.
Apa yang dihasilkan daun teh?
Daun teh itu menghasilkan teh dari daunnya.
Biji kopi?
Kopi menghasilkan kopi.
Batang tebu?
Batang tebu bisa menghasilkan gula.
Buah kapas?
Bisa menghasilkan kapas yang diolah menjadi benang dan bisa membuat pakaian.
Guna pupuk apa, Miss?
Pupuk untuk menyuburkan tanaman, Miss.
Bagaimana dengan rumput liar yang berada di sekitar tanaman?
Ya, rumput liar yang ada di sekitar tanaman itu kita harus mencabutnya karena bisa menghalangi pertumbuhan dari tanaman tersebut.
Okay, now we move to science. Why does the sound become quieter as you move away from the source?
Because the sound, sorry, Miss.
Why does the sound become quieter as you move away from the source?
Okay, because the sound can be travel on the air. So when we hear the sound, become quieter. I mean like this, Miss. The sound can travel on the air. So the sound not directly go to our ear because should be travel first like this. So the sound become quieter. For example, like this, when I am here and then my friend there and I speak here with a normal sound, but my sound arrive there become quieter because my sound travel first and go there like this.
If you are outside the classroom,
Yes.
how will the sound of knocking on the table sound?
Sometimes become quieter, sometimes cannot hear.
Why?
Yeah, about the distance can make the sound perlahan
more quieter.
More lows or more
lower.
Yes.
Lower, you mean?
Lower, yes, I mean. Sorry, Miss.
So, very loud sounds, the impact of very loud sounds, what is that for our hearing? Our hearing.
Yeah, loud sound, right, Miss?
Yes.
The effect from the loud sound to our ear can make a cochlea broken inside there. A cochlea that a device that can help us to hearing.
So it will be broken because of the very loud sounds, you mean?
Yes, because it's so harm to our ear.
So the throat in humans is what sound?
Source of sound from the human actually.
Source of sound.
Yes, source of sound.
What is the meaning of sign language?
Sign language, a language without sound. So this one when
Without sound?
human, yes, without sound, sign language is without sound, because we just need a sign to talk each other. We just need a sign to talk each other. So we don't need make sound to talk each other.
Okay. Now we move to computer. How to hold the mouse correctly?
Yes. The first we hold the mouse, and then we can put thumb fingers and two other fingers on the mouse, like what's that? Like index fingers. We can put in the left button and the middle finger in the right button. So when we hold the mouse, we put a correct fingers.
So what is actually the main function of the mouse?
Main function
Of the mouse.
Main function of the mouse, a device as a pointer that can help us to pointing something on the monitor.
How about the scroll wheel? What is the function?
Scroll wheel, the function can help us make easier to scroll up and down to see pages on the monitor.
Okay. Now move to PPKN.
Okay,
Apa yang harus kita lakukan dengan adanya keberagaman?
Dengan adanya keberagaman, kita harus saling menghormati karena negara kita kan banyak keberagaman ini, jadi kita harus saling bersatu dan menghargai, saling menghormati. Jadi dengan adanya keberagaman itu bisa membentuk suatu hubungan yang lebih baik lagi.
Apa yang kita lakukan apabila teman kita memiliki kekurangan?
Kita harus menghormati dia dan kita tidak perlu menjauhi dia. Kita juga harus merangkul dia, menemani dia. Pokoknya jangan dijauhi teman itu, karena perbedaan itu bukan sesuatu yang membuat kita merasa ada perbedaan di antara manusia.
Coba sebutkan beberapa contoh menghargai keberagaman, Miss.
Ya, menghargai keberagaman misalnya menghargai keberagaman agama, karena kita memiliki 6 agama. Nah, di setiap daerah itu pasti, bukan setiap daerah saja, setiap tempat di mana kita tuju itu pasti berbeda agama ada. Nah, kita harus saling menghormati, tidak boleh saling menjatuhkan atau menjelekkan.
Okay, now we move to health education. What do we need for a good sleep?
Okay. We need a clean set bed, like blanket, like pillow, like pajamas, and then before to go to sleep, we should wash our hand, face, and feet also, and don't forget to brush our teeth first, so we can go to sleep deeply.
So what stops you from sleeping well? What stops you?
Loud sound, I think, because can make us surprised like this.
Besides that,
Besides that, okay. For me, sometimes when I'm hungry,
okay. Why must we sleep well?
okay, we must sleep well because can make us do activities and in every day because uh, if we haven't got sleep well, we cannot do the activity well. Uh, Later we can sleepy, we can tired.
We can be sleepy.
Yeah, we can be sleepy, we can be tired, and we can and maybe we can sick also.
Can be sick.
We can be sick.
Okay, is it true if when I sleep I don't want to use a blanket? Is it true?
No.
Why?
Sorry, miss. Sorry.
When I sleep I don't want to use a blanket.
When I sleep, I don't want to use makeup. When I sleep,
I don't want to use a blanket.
Oh, actually, we need a blanket to make our body comfortable when we sleep, because can make us not what is it? Colder, kedinginan. Cool can make what? Confused.
If we don't use blanket, what will happen? It can make us what? Feeling cool.
Yes, feeling cool. Sorry, miss. Kedinginan.
So, is it true or false?
Is it true?
Is it true?
Yes. Our blanket.
We
But
don't want.
sometimes.
We don't want to use a blanket when we sleep. Is it true? Based on the question
No,
here,
no,
I
no,
just asked.
no.
Oh, okay. I cannot sleep in the cool and neat room. Is it true or false?
Yes.
Why?
Because we need to use blanket. So can make warmer, I think. But when we use aircon in our room, no need make the Celsius so low.
So low.
Yes, low. Just make
You mean the temperature?
temperature. Sorry, miss. Temperature.
Everything in my room is just right for me to sleep soundly. Is it true or false?
Sorry, miss.
Everything in my room is just right for me to sleep soundly.
Can you say
Everything
so?
in my room
in my room
is just right for me to sleep soundly.
it's just make
It's just right
It's
for
just-
me to sleep soundly.
it's just right. What is this right, miss?
You made a question here, so why do you ask
I
me?
don't make it. It's
Everything in my room is just right for me to sleep soundly. You answer first. Based on the answer you put here, is it true or false? Everything in my room is just right for me to sleep soundly.
oh
Bisa membuat aku tidur
Iya.
nyenyak.
yeah, I know, miss. Sometimes can, sometimes no.
Why?
If can, if yes, an object not too many in the room. I mean like this, like a picture, like a doll, like a cupboard, or the important things only. So we can sleep soundly. But if too many things in our rooms, I think it can breathe. So it's not comfortable for us, I think.
So it means you think this is wrong or true?
True.
True.
True, yes.
But you say that the things, if many in your room, it won't make you to take a breath.
Yes.
So your explanation is different with the answer here. Everything in my room
Yes.
is just right for me to sleep soundly. Jadi semua barang-barang yang ini bahasa ya. Jadi semua barang-barang yang ada di sekelilingmu itu bisa membantu kamu tidur nyenyak. But your explanation just now was different.
Yes, that's why I said sometimes can, sometimes no.
It will make the students confused
Yes.
later, Miss.
Okay, I choose only. It can make us sit slowly
Why? What is the relation?
because some of the things can make us sleep comfortable.
Some of the
Things like a doll. I mean, we can hug a doll like that.
so like that, like this, Miss. Before you choose the question like this, I mean you need to discuss first with other
Yes.
teacher, or maybe you can filter is this how to say that, is this be confusing for the student or for you as well, right? Because you say it sometimes, it depends. We can say yes, we can say no. I mean the option only two, true or false. Like that. So you must how to say that, yeah. You must think first
Okay.
before you put the question like this. And then I think enough for the evaluation for today. Actually, for the computer, the additional explanation wasn't same with the explanation that you have put here, and then for the science as well.
Yes.
All your explanation were really different with the graded definition and then with the additional explanation here. But because I saw just now that for English, health education, IPAS, Bahasa Indonesia, PPKN, and for the homework as well, IPA, science, computer, PPKN subjects, you could answer and explain them well. So I think you pass in this time, Miss. But I hope that you can still learn about this computer and then science. And then I found that why is it so difficult to understand the sentence, Miss? This is for primary one.
Actually,
I mean, don't just copy all the words or the explanation from the application.
Yes.
You can edit, right? You can find the simple words. Yes. This is so difficult, Miss. For primary one. Last week also like that. That's why Sir Hendra penalized, right?
yes.
Yeah, but three of you still do the same for this week. You still make so hard, especially for computer and then for science. Like this one. I said, wait. It is often the most agile finger, allowing for precise movements. I think this one is not. It's not. How to say it? It's not proper for the students. It's too difficult, Miss. Too hard, right?
Yes. It's only for me also.
Like,
Sometimes I can understand also with the.
that's why.
Yes.
Even the teacher also doesn't understand right the sentence. How about the students?
Yes. We will discuss again later.
Yes. It is too difficult, Miss. Even for primary two, it's easier to be understood. They're simpler, lebih apa simple, simpler than primary one.
The explanation.
Yes. The great definition, the explanation also simpler than primary one. English also. It's quite difficult, I think. So I hope for next week, not like this anymore, Miss. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all, Miss. You pass in this evaluation, but for science and computer, please read again, yeah, Miss. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss. That's all, Miss. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.